Hey guys, Dino here from 3 Star Nomadic, and today we take off from Gili Meno to Gili Air. Let's get out there.
Over yonder, right there, that little bit of flat land, Gili Air. So we're going to jump in the boat, go and have a quick look at that one. So on my way over to Gili Air, halfway across, it's nice and calm, so it makes it a bit easier. So apparently Gili Air is a little bit more busy than Menos. Menos is the island in the middle, and it's quite quiet, as we could see from just, that was about it where we were, I think, and there'll be other bits and pieces around the island, but it's not a busy island. Gili Air, where we're going to now, is a little bit more busy and a bit more popular, I think. But the locals seem to talk about Menos as a, you know, that's sort of where they like to go. So maybe because it is a lot more quiet. Anyway, we'll be landing on Gili Air soon, but at the moment, just halfway between islands, chilling out on the boat. Obviously a hell of a lot of turtles around. Every now and then you'll see something pop up out of the water, and a lot of the time it's a little turtle coming up for some air. So we have landed on Gili Air, and here we go. First impression, Gili Air, really nice, really mellow, really chilled. I noticed on the other side of the island when we were coming around there, it looked like a few more sort of 5-star style joints around there. So I think we're sort of around the arse end of it, maybe, at a guess. But yeah, really nice. Looks great. Just another day in paradise for Dino at 3 Star Nomadic. So, thought we'd look at so much of the coast, better just walk in here a little bit, have a look at the inland, the jungle. A lot of these islands, they seem to have different style of trees and that, so where I'm used to just the palm tree look like this. So I don't know what you up for the coconuts. Yeah, so but I do notice on these islands they have this style of tree all around. I don't know if it's like a Norfolk pine or I'm not sure, but haven't seen as many coconut trees as normal little tropical joints. Got the drone up there, someone's drone up there. Anyway, I might sneak into one of these trees and have a pee. Gotta watch out for them coconuts. There's apparently thousands and thousands and thousands of people around the world which get killed by falling bloody coconuts. I remember seeing a statistic on it once, and it was a lot. So you better watch out. Lots of little snorkeling joints around here. Got these cool little seats you can hang out. And I think I might be ready to get the drone up somewhere as soon as I find somewhere that looks pretty cool. those, a few of them around. Reminds me a bit when I was a young fella travelling through Koh Samui. They used to be everywhere right on the beach. $2 a night. Well, I absolutely love this little place, Gili Air. I could easily spend some time here, but unfortunately I've only got a little bit longer and I'll have to get back to the boat because I've only rented it for half a day, so I'm gonna have to turn around and head back the other way. But this is just a beautiful joint. I'd come back here if I had a bit more time, for sure. But we venture on. So lots of diving around here, around all of this area, beautiful diving. So yeah, plenty of these places everywhere throughout these islands. You can go and do your paddy course or whichever one you choose. And you can go and swim with the turtles. That's the trip. Hope you enjoyed that. From Dino at 3-Star Nomadic over on the Gili Islands. What a great time, and we'll catch you down the track.